By utilizing SCADA's logging feature, you can save all the tags in the project to the database in the desired format. Let's create a macro channel and enable logging by adding a tag underneath it to demonstrate how data is saved to the database. When you click on the tag, click on the logging option on the right panel of the editor. With the Log on Change option, you can log a tag both on percentage change and level change. If you want to log periodically, SCADA will automatically save the tag value to the database at the specified interval. If you select both Log on Change and Periodically options, it will save to the database in both scenarios. By selecting the Data Logging filter, you can save the tag value to the database based on criteria you define. As an example, let's set the logging feature of our tag to level change and set the value to 10. This means that we want the tag value to be logged to the database every time it increases or decreases by 10. Let's create a component on the page and assign our macro tag to it. Since we will enter a value from the keyboard to the macro tag, the event type is set to key pressed. We select Load Value as the event action. After making the settings, let's start our server. Also, let's open our database to see the data being saved. We had determined the name of our project as logging. PostgreSQL database creates a database with this name, and when we enter this database, the tag logs are saved under the tag_log table. Since we have just created our project and have not saved any data before, there is currently no data in the tag_log. Let's open the View Plus client and send values from the keyboard to our tag, then check the contents of the tag_log in the database. Let's enter 20 as the value of our tag. Since we set the logging feature to 10 for level change, we expect it to save this value to the database. The value of 20 we sent from the keyboard has been saved to the database. Let's send a value that does not exceed the level change expression. Since the level change is 1 for the value of 21, it did not save it to the database. Let's enter an expression greater than 10 for the level change again. We see that the value of 34 we entered has been saved to the database because the change value is greater than 10. Let's see again that it does not save if we enter an expression less than 10.